What's going on, guys? Well, I just got lucky here, got to the dump station, noticed that one of the flaps here was really loose. And I think I better take it off, because if you look, the screws are loose and they're all broken. Let's see if I can repair that somehow. But I'm glad I didn't lose that. With Heimer going bankrupt, they're basically irreplaceable. It would have drove me crazy not having that piece there, so hopefully I can get it off and get it glued back together or fixed somehow. Maybe put a piece of reinforcing plastic, glue it, crazy glue it behind it, something. I don't know, but I gotta fix it. What is that? Not much left of that. Alright, so hopefully I can find a Home Depot or something on the way there to get some plastic epoxy or something. And there are chunks missing out of it, so I gotta see if I can reinforce it somehow. You stay in. But I always put my parts in a plastic bag because it's so easy to lose them in a van like this. Yeah, it's just safer to put them in a bag and know where everything is, and that way you can just grab it when you get all of the stuff. So yeah, I think I'm going to try, what is it, baking soda and crazy glue? I think it makes some really hard plasticky concrete type stuff. So I'm going to try that. Well, look where we are. There are aliens here, Uma. You know what aliens are? They're green people. They're lizard people. Let's go check it out. You wanna go see? Let's go. I think I'm ready to check out Roswell. Got my tinfoil hat on so the aliens can't read my mind. And let's do a drive through of Roswell and see what's going on in town. I'm not going to go to any of the cheesy stores or anything. I'm just going to do drive-bys. So let's go check it out. Hopefully my mind doesn't get red. Welcome to Roswell. Look, the ship has landed. Oh, I forgot my foil hat. Damn. That's a cool little place. Look, even E.T. is there. Love this old quirky stuff. Working it. Uma doesn't like the aliens. Everything's alien themed here. Even the there's a Baskin Robbins / Dunkin' Donuts, which I've never seen before. The big huge alien right there. And then the McDonald's over here is UFO shaped. I have no idea why my phone turned itself off like that. Mid-recording, no idea. Anyhow, this town's way huger than I was expecting it to be. I thought Roswell was just a tiny little town. But another thing, I was going to go to the crash site, or the supposed crash site, and it's like 70 miles out of town. It's actually closer to another town than it is to Roswell, but I guess Roswell took the claim to fame on it for some reason. I think the other town is Corona that is closer to. But anyhow, found a Home Depot. We're going to go to the Home Depot and grab some supplies to hopefully get the skirt piece fixed. And I think there's some boondocking like 20 minutes outside of town, so we're going to go check that out. Okay, so back to this plastic skirting stuff. I think I got it somewhat repaired for doing a bush job on it. I used JB Weld plastic epoxy. It's a two-part epoxy for gluing the pieces back in. And I use crazy glue for gluing the composite molding on the back of it to reinforce the plastic. This stuff is so paper thin, no wonder why it broke, but I got most of the pieces glued back in. I actually covered the drill holes completely. And I'll drill new holes. I did leave that hole because it was still completely intact, so I'll just drill through there. And I did buy longer screws as well, just like a 1/4 inch longer. So yeah, probably on these I'll drill 2 holes on either side, since this is going to be the weakest point where it was fixed and cracked, so it doesn't crack again. But yeah, that's the best fix I have going for that. Another thing that's broken, or not working, is this, my level gauges for my propane and my fresh water and gray water. I don't know what happened, but about a month or so ago, I went to touch the panel and I had static electricity and it sparked, and the battery voltage numbers went all crazy, and the level gauge hasn't worked since. So I think I need a new circuit board for the level gauges. But yeah, on the propane it shows empty, which I thought was strange the other day, so I went and looked the other day. Let's go outside and I'll show you. Might be too much of a windstorm out there, I don't know. It's not too bad. Even my carpet's buried under the van. Hi, Oma. How are you? I'm just showing people some stuff. Out of the way, girl. So, under here is where my propane tank is. And usually right here, there's a gauge that shows whether it's full or empty or whatever. And it's plugged to this electrical connection back here. And there's nothing left of it, so it must have fallen off. So that's another thing I have to replace. At least, hopefully it's not as windy on this side. Not as bad. Hi, Uma. I know you're following me. You're dusty. Holy cow, look at that. Dusty dog. Yucky. But anyway, I was looking at this when I was out, and that actually, if that flap is the only one that's broken, that doesn't look too bad, because there's nothing really exposed underneath. Yeah, and it doesn't look bad at all. So if I do lose that one, not so bad, but like that one per se has my gray hose behind it. Stop. So yeah, maybe I'll drill those holes since it's not so windy on this side and do it right now. And I forgot to show you guys. So I reinforced it. I just bought some composite molding from Home Depot, like an 8-foot strip, thinking I could reinforce the whole thing. But as you can see, it's pretty warped. This line going all the way down, so I wasn't having much luck gluing it all. So I just made little pieces along the way where it goes to the vehicle. Yeah, I'm going to drill through the plastic on 2 sides of this, and probably just one at either end, and hopefully that's strong enough. Alright, so I didn't tighten them all the way down because I didn't want to strip it. So I'm just going to hand tighten it the rest of the way because there's just barely any metal to bite onto there. Just rather be safe than sorry than strip out the screws. That's way better. Holy cow, nice. Look at that. I like it. Good job, Scott. Yeah, way more sturdier. I still like that look better with all the skirting around it. It's my OCD just likes to have everything nice and neat, you know. Yeah, I think that looks better. Much stronger fix. I think I did a good job for a bush fix. You think so, Uma? Did I do a good job? Yeah. Let's get all these tools cleaned up. Well, holy cow, I think I know why this place isn't that busy. Jesus, this wind is frickin' nuts. I think I'm just going to spend the night here and be gone. This is just crazy up here. What the hell? Holy cow. What's going on, Uma? It's windy, isn't it? Holy, I gotta go back inside. Holy. Yeah, screw this. I can't handle this wind. This is crazy. Holy. Anybody want to buy some beach sand? I think I got about 50 pounds of it in here. Jesus, this is crazy, this wind. Anyhow, as of April 1st, I am heading back to Canada. So yeah, heading on a northeast direction. Yeah, it's not going to be too exciting after this. This is unfortunately my last boondocking experience. I think everything else is just going to be rest stops and Cracker Barrels on the way home, unfortunately. But it is what it is. Looking forward to seeing family and friends and everybody. And yeah, that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It helps me out. And we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.